Okay, here's the juicer. I don't know if we got sound here, but if we do, here's the juicer. First thing, well, I'm going to give the camera to Tom, so just hold that focused on there.
Wait a minute, let me focus.
Don't touch it.
I was going to come in a little closer.
No, just hold the camera on there. Okay. First thing that goes in is this part.
Big plastic tube.
Yeah, put this in here, and this collar.
You need to go in a little closer. You can't hardly tell, but you...
Turn the collar clockwise. The next thing that goes in is this thing. Just push this right in here.
Right through the plastic.
So it engages
You're not even
in.
describing it.
And then there's two of these things. One of them has a screen with holes in it. This one doesn't. I don't know what this one is for. I never use it.
Use the one with holes in it.
Use the one with the screen that's got holes in it. You just push this in like that.
It's got a white knob at the end.
Right, and then there's this collar, and that just screws on and holds that screen in place. And again, turns clockwise.
Then you got these two
Then you got, this is the chute. That just goes on top.
Show them a total three-dimensional view of it.
No, actually this one goes counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise, the front.
Then you've got these two things.
Show them this again. You gotta look at it all different directions.
This thing has a screen. This one goes in the back, and that catches the juice.
Wait a minute. Bring it out again. You can get a good shot of the screen.
And this one goes in the front, and that catches the pulp. This is your
this catches
reamer.
The pulp.
Right. Turn it on.
Show them how to turn it on again.
She'll know this. She does have. The only thing wrong with this machine is that you do have to cut the pieces very narrow. I peeled these cucumbers because I couldn't remember if they were organic or not. And then you just.
She got one just like it.